Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold power key and volume up. This will bring up our boot options, and here you just select power off. Once the device turns off, you will then hold power key and volume up again. So I'm gonna do that right now. So when you see the VIVO logo, you can let go of the power key. And now this boots us into fast boot mode, but from here we can use a volume down to navigate downwards, and then power key to confirm that option for recovery mode. Give it a second. And now we are in the recovery mode. So in here we have only a couple options. We have clear data, which will consist of clear cache or just factory resetting the device. Then we have install software, save mode, which you can also access normally from typically like the Android by holding the power off option, check system, and then shut down or restart the device. So two ways of leaving it. So I'm gonna select restart, which when I confirm it, it will initiate reboot and take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.